DeepMind just introduced their new system called AlphaDev, and it is based on something they call AlphaZero.
Is AlphaDev a free program? We believe that since AlphaDev's new hashing algorithm was made available to millions of developers worldwide through an open-source Abseil library this year, it has been utilized trillions of times every day. Have you ever wondered how the result of an online search are ordered, or the sequence in which you post on social media, or how your phone or computer handles data? All of these jobs rely on algorithm, which are collections of rules that tells computers what to do. In our digital culture, algorithms are used everywhere, and to handle the enormous amounts of data we produce daily, they must be quick and effective. However, discovering faster algorithms is difficult. To create and enhance them, computer scientists and programmers must invest decades in research and engineering. Making computing more powerful and sustainable is getting harder as microchips get closer to their physical boundaries. Because of this, Google DeepMind, a pioneer in artificial intelligence, has created a new system called AlphaDev that uses reinforcement learning to find algorithms more quickly. AI that uses reinforcement learning learns through trials and error in a manner akin to how people or other animals learn through rewards and punishment. To create better algorithms for sorting and hashing data, two essential computer science operations, AlphaDev uses reinforcement learning. Growing energy use and the demand for computing are being driven by the digital society. For the past 50 years, keeping up has required hardware advancements. But to make computing more potent and sustainable as microchips approach their physical limits, it's essential to update the code that runs on them. This is particularly significant for the code's algorithm, which runs daily billions of times. AlphaDev, an artificial intelligence AI system that employs reinforcement learning to discover improved computer science algorithms, surpassed those developed by scientists and engineers over decades, as described in the Nature article. A quicker algorithm for sorting and an approach to data ordering were discovered by AlphaDev. Unaware of it, billions of people utilize these algorithms every day. Everything is based on them, from how data is handled on computing and phones to how internet search results and social media posts are ranked. AI-based algorithm generation will revolutionize computer programming and have an impact on many facets of our increasingly digital society. Millions of developers and businesses worldwide now use our brand new sorting algorithms in supply chain management, cloud computing, and online retail application, thanks to the open source of our sorting algorithm and the core C++ library. This is the first update to this section of the sorting library in more than 10 years, and it also marks the addition of an algorithm created using reinforcement learning. This, in our opinion, is a crucial first step towards leveraging AI to optimize the world's code, one algorithm at a time. Sorting is a technique for placing various elements in a specific order. 3 letters could be alphabetized, 5 integers could be arranged from largest to smallest, or a database with millions of records might be organized. This approach has changed over time. The Great Library of Alexandria's shelves were used by scholars in the 2nd and 3rd centuries to manually alphabetize thousands of books. Tabulation machines, which saved data on punch cards and were used to compile the result of the 1890 census in the United States, were created as a result of the Industrial Revolution to assist in sorting. The first sorting algorithms in computer science were created in the 1950s, along with the introduction of commercial computers. Today, a wide variety of the sorting methods and algorithms are applied in code bases all over the world to arrange vast amounts of online data. It took decades of research for computer scientists and programmers to create modern algorithms. AlphaDev discovered quicker algorithms by beginning from scratch and looking in places most people don't. The computer's assembly instruction. Binary code is produced using assembly instructions and used by computers to carry out operations. Although programmers often create codes in high-level language like C++, computers must translate them into low-level assembly instructions in order to understand them. We think there are a lot of advantages at this low level that could be hard to find in a higher-level coding language. Since computer storage and processes are more versatile at this level, there are a lot more possible advancements that could speed up computers and reduce their energy consumption. Usually, a high-level programming language like C++ is used to write codes. A compiler is then used to translate this into assembly instructions, which are low-level CPU instructions. An assembler then transforms the assembly instructions into machine code that the computer can execute. AlphaZero, our reinforcement learning model that bested world champions in games like Go, chess, and shogi, is the foundation of AlphaDev. With AlphaDev, we demonstrated how this approach may be applied to a variety of contexts, including games, scientific problems, and practical applications. Sorting was changed into an assembly game for a single player in order to train AlphaDev to find new algorithms. AlphaDev monitors the information in a central processing unit, CPU, in the algorithm it has created at each step, in order to develop an algorithm that can sort and is faster than the best one right now. AlphaDev must efficiently search through a huge huge number of different combinations of instructions. The total number of possible instruction combinations is comparable to the universe particle count or the number of possible moves in chess, 10,120 games, in Go, 10,700 games. Additionally, a single error can render the algorithms useless as a whole. AlphaDev verifies the accuracy of each instruction as it is added to the algorithm by contrasting the output with the desired outcome. This means that for sorting algorithms, unsorted numbers enter and well-sorted ones exit. AlphaDev is rewarded for successfully sorting the number as well as for doing it so swiftly and effectively. AlphaDev wins the match by developing a reliable, quick program. The LLVM-LIBC++ sorting library was enhanced by AlphaDev, which led to improvements that were up to 70% quicker for shorter sequences and roughly 1.7 faster for sequences with more than 250,000 elements. We concentrated on enhancing sorting algorithms for shorter 3 to 5 element sequences due to the fact that they are frequently used repeatedly as a component of larger sorting functions. These algorithms are among the most popular. The sorting of any number of items can be made faster overall by improving these algorithms. We reverse engineered the algorithms and translate them into C++, one of the most widely used coding language among developers, to make the new sorting method more user-friendly. The LLVM-LIBC++ standard sorting library, which is used by millions of developers and businesses worldwide, now includes these algorithms. In addition to discovering speedier algorithms, AlphaGo also discovered fresh ideas. Each time they are used, the new sequences of instructions in its sorting algorithm saved one instruction. As these algorithms are employed trillions of times every day, this might have a significant effect. AlphaDev swap and copy moves are what we refer to as this innovative strategy is similar to AlphaGo move 37. A perplexing move that surprised onlookers and resulted in a loss of a great Go player. AlphaDev used the swap and copy move to quickly connect elements in a way that appears to be an error, but is actually just a shortcut. This demonstrates AlphaDev's capacity to find novel solutions and pushes the boundaries of how we approach the development of computer science algorithms. We investigated whether AlphaDev might generalize and enhance hashing, a separate computer science approach, after finding quicker sorting algorithms. An essential computing process called hashing is used to retrieve, store, and compress data. Hashing algorithms assist user in knowing what they're looking for and where to find it. Much like a librarian who utilizes a classification system to find a specific book, these algorithms take data for a particular key and hash it, which is the conversion of raw data into a distinctive strings of letters. AlphaDev has proven its capacity to generalize and find new algorithms with practical applications by optimizing and releasing enhanced sorting and hashing algorithms utilized by developers everywhere. We consider AlphaDev as the first step in the creation of a general-purpose AI tools that might aid in the optimization of the entire computing ecosystem and the resolution of other socially beneficial issues. We are now investigating AlphaDev's capability to directly optimize algorithms in high-level languages such as C++, which would be more beneficial for developers. While optimizing in the domain of low-level assembly instructions is incredibly strong, there are constraints as the algorithm evolves. The discovery made by AlphaDev, including the swap and copy move, demonstrate its capacity to both enhance algorithms and create fresh approach in order to build a more potent and long-lasting computer environment. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comment section below. Until then, bye! Also, spend some time watching other videos on our channel.